Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss story The Robot, chapter 2 of our literature book. Robots are designed to make our lives easy. They perform tasks and execute commands. In this story, the father brings a robot in the house to perform some functions. But soon the family realizes that the robot is taking control over some things. Certain actions of the robot terrify the members of the family. What happened? Deepa was calling Doxy, Doxy is robot in this story, a liar because she had asked him to make some biscuits. And Doxy had said he would make them, but when she asked for the biscuits, he said he had not said anything like that. Deepa shouted on Doxy. The mother asked, coming into the room, "What's the matter, Deepa?" Deepa told her mother all that had happened. Deepa said, "I think you should send Doxy for repair." Deepa's mother packed it into a carton and sent it to the robotics center with a complaint form attached to the carton. The robot was returned a few days later and seemed to be in perfect working condition. As the day wore on, Deepa's mother found Doxy behaving very strangely. It broke her favorite blue bowl and refused to clear up the broken bits. It spilled milk all over the floor. It refused to iron the clothes. Doxy was dismantled once again and returned to the robotics center with a note saying that if Doxy was not properly repaired, this time the center would have to send them a new robot. Doxy was returned with an assurance from the center that it would cause no further trouble. After 2 days, Doxy seemed to go completely out of control. What happened this time? This time, Deepa's mother herself carried the robot to the center. The salesman said, "We deeply regret the inconvenience you have been caused and we would like to ask you to bear with us and to help us." The salesman said, "I would like you to watch Doxy at night. Don't let the robot know you are watching it." Deepa's mother told the salesman, "We would be glad to help you, but if nothing happens and you can't sort out the robot's problem this time, I shall hold you to your offer of giving us compensation and a new model." At night, Deepa watched Doxy moving to the shelf. The robot opened the box and pulled out a screwdriver. It unscrewed a few screws on its belly and removed a metal plate having some programming chips. Deepa ran towards her parents' room. In few moments, Deepa was back in the storeroom with her parents. Mother asked Doxy, "What were you doing with the screwdriver, Doxy?" Doxy said, "I was trying to turn some knobs inside me." "I am tired," said Doxy. An Indian scientist discovered some time ago that metal too can suffer from fatigue due to overuse. It begins to weaken due to overuse. My parts are old and they are tired. So I began to act strangely. I created enough trouble and made enough mistakes. You would send me back to the center. I would be dismantled and left to rest." Robot said, "That was what I planned." The father said, "I have a solution. We will dismantle you every night. That way you will get the rest you need." This is all about the